Firelink explosion here at the ponds. The monkeys throw the fireballs. I could really use it. Let's see what happens. We'll play 10 cents, $3 around for a bit. See if we like it. Never got to play this one, so we'll see what we can do. Turn up a little bit here. Not really sure what I'm looking for except fireballs. Those appear to be wild. Oh, the chest will do the wheel feature. Okay. Looks like 3 chests and 4 balls. So go ahead and toss them all down, monkeys. Thank you. But also toss more. You can toss with it. Just trying to view. Okay, that wasn't very fun. Oh, here comes some. Here come monkeys, monkeys, monkeys. More, more. I can't even land them on my own. Oh, they're feeling generous. But I can't do anything to help them. I appreciate it. I appreciate you doing your part. Now let me try to do my part. Come on. Come on. Come on. Do it. You could have done it. You've done all the work and I've done nothing. But we're not working together, it seems. I mean, seriously. No, we're not gonna give you that just yet. We've got a few more minutes. Maybe we drop down to nickels or something, because that's not working out. Nickels or 2 cents. Let's try this. I mean, I don't love it. I don't hate it. This machine is making me sad. You try, but I'm not doing my part. You're gonna have to throw 4 because I can't land them on my own. You're gonna have to give them all to me. More? I told you you gotta do it all. Okay, I'm gonna cash out there because it's just not as fun as I want it to be. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, do whatever. Really helps my channel, and keeps me playing. Let's see where else we're going.